Now the second and third rubrics. Explain the development process of a function and an example of a test case. For this example, I have the calc hours to seconds function. Define. The problem solved is to calculate how many seconds are in X hours. Design. The function has to accept a parameter hours and then return how many seconds were in that hour. I have a test matrix design. For example, for 45 hours, I would expect this many hours. For 1 hour, I am expecting this. First, I established that the minimum boundary is 1. So we check if it's less than 1 and we return -1, which is an error. Similar thing for the maximum boundary. If it is more than 50, we return -1. In other words, valid input is from 1 to 50. Next, we declare a variable called seconds, and we assign the calculation of the number of hours times 3600. Finally, we return the variable seconds to some other piece of code that called it. In order to test, we create a test class. We defined all of the test cases that we created. We compare that expected value with the value returned from the function. We right-click on the test class and select test. The function is now ready. We now have to commit and push the new code. Right-click on charcoal it, git and commit. Give a description. Now git remote and then push. This will upload the new code to the repository, but I won't do it since this is a test function.